Okay, we got our wall piece template. We're gonna hold it up there, mark our little guide spots, and then we're gonna cut those out. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna take these bolts, M8s. I did 50 millimeters just so that they would have enough clearance to come out as far as I need to if I needed to do any washers. And that's the size of the pre-threaded bolts that are on the Transit. And we're going to put those in there all about the same length so that I can tap the wood onto the screw head, and that way it'll show me where I need to pre-drill my hole. So we got our first wall strut thing we're putting on the wall. It's what the studs are going to be attached to. They're going to go up and we spray foam onto those. After tapping the holes against the wall, pre-drilled those for the holes so that the bolts should slide right through. Let's hope they line up. It didn't line up. Mark new holes, drill new holes, I'll be good. First part's up. This board is our upper support. The ribs, the studs, they are what's going to give the Vantage shape. We had to move locations. We were in Missouri. We're now back in Los Angeles. Yesterday was leg day. We got all the lower legs in on the vertical ribs, which is very exciting. Now they almost all touch the floor and are supported as well there and on the horizontal support bar. I see where it touches and I mark it and then I cut it and then I hold hold it and I see where it touches and I mark it and I cut it, and then I hold it and I see where it touches and then I mark it and I cut it, and then when it doesn't touch anymore, I put the notches in it that go across the supports, and then I hold it and I see where it touches and I mark it and I cut it, and then I hold it and then I see where it touches and then I mark it and I cut it, and then I glue it and pocket screw it in. Oh, don't do that. Putting in headers and footers, so to speak, for ceiling and floors, so that they're all connected and tied in. They're going to connect across the top, as well as go across the bottom, so that those can be hooked up and everything is integrated together. Then they're going to get some little toggles that go in between, just to keep spacing and rigidity and support, as well as give wall tack support for when the actual walls go on this over the foam. Walls are getting spray foam. Once the walls go over the foam, that will give me spots to tack different things to. So support's much to do, but as of right now, very exciting. All of the vertical ribs are done. There's a lot to go.